You're okay. You're fine. You're okay. Quit whining. Show us your gymnastics. Show us your monkey bars. Show us your monkey bars, please. It's okay, Mom. Sorry. It's okay. Whoa! Monkey bars! Whoa!
Can't look at me in monkey bars. You gotta watch what you're doing.
Have to be careful.
Come back this way. Come back to this one.
Eddie, come back out. Come back out, please.
Where are we going now? Back through. Back through the other ones. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Mom.
What'd you find? Chips?
Mom dropped a chip on the ground.
Sorry. I dropped one on her head.
She just ate it. Yeah, Eddie, yeah. Jungle Gym, monkey bars. Oh, oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, roll your tongue. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. Where are you going? Where are you going? Addie. 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 Hey. Addison. Addison Marie.
What?
What are you doing? No more jungle gym? Say hi. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Wave bye.
Bye-bye.